This is our Wilton drill press. This unit can be wired 220 or 440. Currently is wired for 220, and this unit has a 1.5 horse motor. This unit has an adjustable table on it. You just take your crescent wrench to the back and loosen up the binders all the way. Table goes down with ease. Table also goes up with ease. Then you would just come back over here, snug up your binders. Now the table is tight. This unit also has an Edco quick chuck on it. As you can see with these, no chuck keys are needed. Just put your drill bit in there. It's locked down, ready to go. As you can see, it comes right out easily too. This unit also has an adjustable stop. You can adjust it wherever you need to be. It also has a lock on the side. As you can see up here, we have a speed gauge. Right now we're at 80 RPM. Should keep going down. This unit has a speed range from 80 to 1200 RPM. We also have a lockout box on the side and a T-slotted base on the bottom. So if you need to swing the table out of the way and put a fixture on the bottom for whatever your work desires, you can do. This is our 1.5 horsepower Wilton drill press.